Hey guys, good afternoon. I am at famous Rambapuri Matha. So it is there in Balehonnuru, Rambapuri Peetha actually. So it is one of the 5 Peethas. Apparently this Matha is around 2000 years old. So it is situated in Balehonnuru. You can see it was raining till now. There you have Dasoha, and that is main Garbhagriha god Renuka